So, nangyari na nga yung kinakatakot na. Hello everyone! Welcome to Invested Lifestyle. I just want to say that I'm glad to be back. I really missed you. And salamat sa mga nagko-comment at nag-aalala sa akin. Don't worry, I'm okay. Di pa naman ako pinapasalvage ng mga taga-MLM. So, sa investments naman, despite sa bear market, stocks are down, crypto is down, inflation is up. It's really not all bad news. At in this video, I will explain sa inyo what happened the past 2 months at isheshare ko din yung mga pinaka-importanting money lessons during my YouTube break. Bago tayo magsimula, please don't forget to like kung na-miss nyo yung investment lifestyle community at yung content ko. So first is promotion. Kung hindi kayo updated at gusto nyong ma-update sa buhay-buhay ko at ng mga babies ko, please follow my TikTok at Instagram. Nagpo-post din ako dyan paminsan-minsan about my personal life at yung mga updates sa akin. So back to my story. Even before the pandemic, nabiyayaan ako ng 440 schedule, meaning 4 days at 10 hours a day lang ako nagwo-work. Nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, I was full-time teleworking at lockdown pa. So madami akong time gumawa ng videos. Pero habang nagre-reopen, naging hybrid na kami. At when I got promoted, they changed my schedule na 5 days a week ulit. So dahil din bago ako sa work at sa department namin, merong learning curve. I'm still learning kaya medyo stress pa ako. Pero unti-unti na akong nagiging comfortable. The good news is starting January 2023, every other Friday, off na ulit ako. At hopefully, magkaroon ako ulit ng more time to create more content. So, money lesson number 1. Since di natin makokontrol yung ups and downs ng market, we can always focus sa mga bagay that we can control, like career growth, para hindi tayo malihis sa mga financial goals natin. Second is quality time with my family. If hindi nyo pa alam, timing is one of my weaknesses. So, the same week na dinalaw ako ng family ko dito sa California, nag-start din ako sa bago kong trabaho. So, nung end of July, 10 tao kami dito at 3 aso sa bahay. May binyagan, pasyal, at party. Kahit sobrang pagod ako noon sa trabaho, iba talaga ang saya pagkasama mo yung family mo. Unfortunately, di na nga ako nagkaroon ng time para mag-upload. So, money lesson number 2. Real estate is always a great idea. Mahal yung hotel dito sa LA, kaya nakatipid na at least $100 to $200 per night yung family ko. Then, instead na magbayad ng venue para sa binyag, sa bahay din kami nag-celebrate. Meron pa kaming libreng magician. So, madami pang advantages in real estate and I will make a video about it. As of the making of this video, halos lahat ng investments ko went down, except real estate. Number 3 reason is health issues. So, after umalis ng family ko, most of them caught COVID. Kasama na din yung asawa ko. At first, akala ko positive din ako, pero false positive pala since I just got my booster. Pero there's more. Dahil accident prone na din ako, I had a small head injury nung nagpabakasyon ako sa Hawaii. And I had a concussion. So, pinagbawalan din ako ng doktor na mag-film ng mga videos dahil nga bawal akong mapagod masyado. So, money lesson number 3. Importante talaga ang health insurance, whether diseases or accidents, na ang inaalala lang naman namin is yung copay namin, which is $10 lang or 500 pesos. Mas madali ka makaka-recover sa sakit mo kung ang focus mo is magpagaling at hindi yung pambayad sa ospital. So, number 4 is bonding with my pets. Dahil sa dami ng changes sa buhay namin, lalo na lagi akong nasa office, nawawalan na rin ako ng time para lang makipaglaro kay Chloe at Cabo. Nakakalungkot dahil compared sa tao, maikli lang yung buhay ng mga aso. Kaya gusto ko naman maging masaya sila. Yung mga aso, they don't care about money or material things. Ang kailangan lang nila is time at love. Minsan, dinadala ko sila sa dog beach at I make sure they feel love. So, money lesson number 4, we should learn from our pets. Kahit na I am a financial education advocate, ang goal ko is hindi maging filthy rich. Ang goal ko is to make enough money to spend more time kasama yung mga loved ones ko at to bond with them. So, number 5 is Hawaiian vacation. But before we continue, sa mga di pa pumipindot ng like button, please do. It's a really great help for me. Inimbitahan kami ng kaibigan namin sa kasal niya sa Hawaii. Since alam namin kung gaano kamahal sa Hawaii, we decided na gawin na rin naming bakasyon. So we stayed there for a week. At nag-enjoy naman kami ng sobra dahil ang tagal na namin hindi nakikita. Ang good news, kahit mahal sa Hawaii, nag-research kami ni Andrew ng mga paraan para makatipid at isheshare namin yun sa aming mga next videos. So, number 5, Manila sa number 5, hindi dahil you can afford it, you have to buy it. Kahit may nakatabi na kami ng asawa ko, travel fund, nagre-research pa rin kami at nag-e-effort pa rin kami para makatipid. At I think we did well at it's part of the fun. So, pang-anim na dahilan kaya hindi ako nakagawa ng video is unfortunately one of our family members passed away. No explanation needed. All we can do is pray for our loved one that passed away. Lahat tayo will eventually be reunited with them. Ang importante is we live life to the fullest. And at the same time, hindi tayo maging pabigat sa mga maiiwan natin. So, Manila sa number 6 is the importance of emergency fund. Kahit na may insurance ka, madaming paperwork na kailangan ayusin before mo makuha yung insurance claim mo. May chance pa na ma-deny ka, kaya hindi talaga pwede sa insurance lang tayo aasa. In the meantime, madami na kailangan bayaran like funeral expenses. Dito mostly 500,000 pesos to 1 million pesos yung funeral expenses. Sa Pilipinas, nung namatay yung tatay ko, halos 300,000 ang nagastos ko. So, kami muna ni Andrew yung nag-abono dahil kami yung may cash sa emergency fund. Dahil down yung mga investments ngayon, hindi magandang idea na magbenta sa stock market dahil malulugi ka. So, malaking tulong talaga yung emergency fund para mabayaran mo yung mga unexpected expenses habang hinihintay yung process ng insurance claims. So, ang pang-pitong dahilan is new business. Sa video ko before, na sinabi namin yung mga sources of income namin, isa sa businesses namin is rental ng camera. Marami nagsabi sa comment section na dangerous nga dahil baka manakaw, which I definitely agree. That's why we have property insurance. So, nangyari na nga yung kinakatakot namin at habang nirent yung camera namin, na-hold up sila. Ang importante is wala naman nasaktan, nakuha nga lang yung mga equipment nila. Hindi lang yung mga sa amin, nirent nila sa ibang tao. So, I think yung customer namin is making a music video at that time. So, dahil sigurista ako, doble yung protection namin. Meron kaming insurance na sarili at yung mga customers din namin, nire-require namin na meron din silang sariling insurance. So, ang ginamit namin na insurance, yung insurance nila, at yung customer din yung nagbayad ng deductible. So, ang computation is yung market value ng mga equipment namin, hindi yung kung magkano yung binayad namin nung nabili. So, since nagde-depreciate yung camera, mas maliit yung nakuha namin. Hindi namin nakuha yung buong capital namin. Ang good news is nabawi na namin yung capital in an earlier rental, so we still profited. I think more than $26,000 yung purchase price ng mga equipment namin. Pero nabalik lang ng insurance namin is $22,000, which is not bad. Ngayon, we are still renting our equipment. Pero naisip namin na kailangan din namin magdagdag ng isa pang business to compensate nga sa bear market. At dahil nabawasan na yung rental equipment namin. So, we dedicated most of our free time din to brainstorm ano bang business ang feasible namin gawin. So, ang criteria namin is something na magagamit yung skills namin, na meron na kaming experience, that we can scale, at yung nai-enjoy namin. In our next videos, ito-document namin yung journey namin at gagawa din kami ng series about our business, kung paano namin sinisimulan, paano namin operate. So, yung business naman namin is limited ng geography, meaning yung mga customers namin, preferably sa LA lang. So, if you want to do it in the Philippines, you won't be our competition. So, if the business is not for you, at least matututo kayo ng proseso, paano magsimula, at you can apply it sa industry or sa business na gusto nyo. So, Manila sa number 7, we learned it from the start na businesses have its ups and downs. Ang importante is you identify the risk at you are not scared to innovate and start again. So, yan ang reasons bakit ako nawala. But, nag-film na din ako ng at least 3 videos more. I-edit ko na lang. So, for sure, there will be new videos every week. Sana patuloy pa rin kayong manood. Behind the scenes, I'm also working with the anti-MLM community advocates para maipasa din yung mga tighter regulations sa MLM. Pero dahil puro research na ako sa trabaho ko at napaka-research heavy na mga anti-MLM content, baka mas dumami yung finance-related videos ko kaysa sa mga MLM company reviews. I know na you love it, and I love making company reviews too, pero limited lang talaga yung time ko. So mas okay na yung finance and business content kaysa naman walang content, 'di ba? So whenever I have a little free time, I'm working on a first Vita Plus review, kaya abangan nyo yan. I also think ang missing sa channel ko is, I help you avoid MLMs. That's the first step. But then, I also need to help improve your whole financial picture. Sa mga susunod na videos, more practical finance content. Based on my experience, I will share how I budget, save money, anong insurance ang meron ako, mga scenario sa totoong buhay ko. Right now, I'm trying my best na i-balance yung personal life, doggies, business, career, at YouTube. Extra challenge din dahil dalawa lang kami ng asawa ko sa bahay, wala naman kaming kasambahay. So ako pa rin yung mostly yung laba, luto, linis, alaga. I was struggling for sure. At itong talaga ang true picture sa Amerika. I might take breaks here and there, but I will never abandon this invested lifestyle community. I'm actually getting closer to my ultimate career position. After that, pwede na ako magstay doon hanggang early retirement at dedicate more of my time sa inyo, sa YouTube. Sa new business naman, ang goal is to build it to scale at mag-hire ng employees para more passive to free my time din. At I can build more businesses and share my journey here. I hope marami na naman kayo natutunan. At in the comment section, walaan nyo kung ano yung new business namin. I hope patuloy pa rin kayong manonood at gamitin nyo yung mga matututunan nyo in the next videos to improve your financial picture. Siyempre, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm so happy to be back. Always remember, invest more and keep it simple. Bye!